Hello everybody, this is Dr. G. In this video, we are going to go over 2021 free response question number 5. Consider the function y equals fx, satisfy this equation. Part A, show that dy over dx equals this expression. So we have y on the left, we have y on the right. When we take the derivative, we can use the implicit differentiation. So 4y times y prime equals y prime sine of x plus y times cosine of x. And we move all the y prime to one side. We factor it out. And we divide by 4y minus sine of x. And we'll get the expression. Part B. Write an equation for the line tangent to the curve at point x equals 0, y equals radical 3. We need to find the slope. So m equals dy over dx. We plug x equals 0 and y equals radical 3. Cosine 0 equals 1, sine 0 equals 0. So this is the slope. So equation of the line, y minus radical 3 equals 1/4 x minus 0. Part C. Find coordinates of the points where the line tangent to the curve is horizontal. Because the horizontal line slope should be equal to 0, so we set dy over dx equals 0. The denominator cannot be 0, so the only term can be 0 is the numerator. Because y is always positive, so cosine of x equals 0. X is from 0 to pi. So in this case, x equals pi over 2. Cosine pi over 2 equals 0. Now we have to find the y value. We plug pi over 2 into the original equation. So 2y squared minus 6 equals y times sine pi over 2, which is 1. So 2y squared minus y minus 6 equals 0. y minus 2, 2y plus 3 equals 0. So give us y equals 2 or negative 3 over 2. Because y is positive, so our coordinate over 2, 2. Part D. Determine whether f has a relative max, min, or neither. So in order to define its max or min, x equals pi over 2, we can use the sign analysis. So y value, x equals pi over 2, y equals 2 here. So on the left, less than pi over 2, we check the derivative, dy over dx. X equals pi over 2. On the left, pi over 2, cosine is positive. And because y is close to 2, so 4 times 2 minus sine of x will be also positive. So on the left, which will be positive. On the right, dy over dx, cosine of x will be negative. And the denominator will always be positive. So negative over positive gives us negative. So the derivative changes from positive to negative. So at x equals pi over 2, it's a max. Relative max.